Okay, today I'm going to talk about my Odes LSV 800cc and converting it to a 60 mile an hour UTV. Right now it's regulated at 25 mile an hour. I've opened the front radiator shroud or hood to the motor compartment and wire housing, and I'm going to zoom in on the part that I believe is the Delphi ECU controller. Sits right behind the battery compartment, and I'm going to document the installation of a new ECU in hopes that the programming allows this vehicle from 25 mile an hour to 60 plus mile an hour. This particular unit also comes with the steel reinforced doors with the plastic shield. One thing you guys might consider doing is drilling a hole towards the bottom of the door. You can see the hole there. Water was building up in these tubes, and there was no place for it to drain out. Hence, a lot of rust was coming out of the top of these door pieces and splattering up on to the frame, which I've cleaned off. You can see some remnants there. So I went through each door around the UTV and drilled the hole in the bottom of the door frame. Again, just to recap, this is the introductory part 1 to my conversion of the 25 mile an hour LSV vehicle to a 60 plus mile an hour vehicle. I've looked for all the electronic components that can relate to engine speed. As you know, if you own one of these, it tops out at 25 miles an hour and starts to basically cut off. So I am narrowing down the parts, and I believe it's the ECU module.